Meaning of cyclo-cross. Cyclo-cross. Cyclo-cross.
Cyclo-cross. Cyclo-cross. Cyclo-cross is a form of bicycle racing that involves riding over a course that includes mixed terrain, with obstacles such as steep hills, mud pits, and barriers that force riders to dismount and carry their bikes. The races are typically shorter and more intense than road races, with riders completing multiple laps of the course. Riders are often seen dismounting and running with their bikes on their shoulders. The first rider to cross the finish line after completing all the laps wins. Cyclo-cross is a demanding and exciting sport that requires skill, endurance, and strategy.